Stakeholders' involvement for sustainable tourism. Sustainability is definitely a growing trend, and tourism is no exception. Maybe for marketing reasons, maybe for an increasing awareness of the people, sustainable tourism, ecologists, and more balanced initiatives are growing. When we talk about sustainability, though, we're referring to a systemic change, which is not without challenges. For tourism to be sustainable, it needs to be economically viable, socially equitable, culturally and environmentally respectful. Everybody will need to work together to reduce the seasonality of demand and guarantee the economic and social sustainability of destinations and enterprises. Make tourist trips more energy efficient and reduce carbon emissions. It will be important to minimize resource use and consumption, and lastly, give value to natural and cultural heritage. To foster this new tourism Green Deal, the institutions such as the European Union have a fundamental role too. In this sense, it is definitely worth mentioning the Agenda for a Sustainable and Competitive European Tourism. Sustainability comes in play in a globalized capitalistic economy, and one of the challenges it faces for its definitive implementation is actually this. How can tourism be sustainable and competitive and therefore profitable? This is why the EU released the principles for achieving a competitive and sustainable tourism in Europe, which include an holistic and integrated approach, a plan for the long term which will also help achieve an appropriate rhythm and pace of development of host communities and destinations, involvement of all stakeholders, use of the best available knowledge, minimizing and managing risk to avoid damages to the environment or society, reflect impacts in costs and assess the carrying capacity, undertake continuous monitoring. This shift is actually considered fundamental for the future of tourism, on the one hand because of the negative impact of the sector itself, and on the other hand because of the increasing awareness of consumers. As mentioned in a previous blog post, we need good indicators, as it is unthinkable to keep on assessing the success of a tourist initiative exclusively through profits and numbers of visitors. And again, the stakeholders will all need to be involved. Institutions, as we said, but also international agencies, governments, destinations, management bodies, training providers, the private sector, and the local community. There is a consideration to be done though. 75% of tourism businesses in Europe are micro and small enterprises. This will mean that they have a key role in sustainability implementation, but they might lack capacity, knowledge, or tools. How can we involve all the actors in the system to help them contribute to a brighter future for all? Let us know what you think and engage with our content.